Good morning, everybody. It's about 8:30 a.m. and I'm going to Universal Studios. And they do check your temperature. I'm good. Thank you. Here we go. Universal Orlando Resort. They do have some masks in case you need one. Hello Kitty, Universal, plain, scarves. And they're only $6. Or 3 for $15. All sorts of lanyards. Good morning. The Universal information in here. Annual pass, whatever it may be. You always cleaning? They're always cleaning here. All the time. That's good. Keep it clean. There they go. All the different areas. I am going to very bottom. The roller coaster again. People on that one. I do have to say, wearing the mask is very hot. Hogsmeade. Here's the entrance.
Hi guys, do you have any backpacks? Yeah, stick to the left there.
This is Hogwarts Castle, Gryffindor.
Y'all got to say you did it.
Go in over here.
What's that rat?
Stuff in here. Clothing items. Books. Bottles. How about a mug?
Yes.
Big one. There's like 8 of them.
6.
I just saw a bunch of them.
Let's try this. You want some? Here we go. Let's try this. And take off my mask, obviously, because I'm making something to drink. Oh, that's good. You want some? Frozen butterbeer.
You can get buttercream in there too.
We're in the post office.
I'll buy this right now.
Here we go. There you go. Longer ones.
Yeah, I might get like candy or something.
Honey, do pizza. Jelly beans. Ooh, hot water coffee. Oh. Taffy. How about a chocolate frog? 3 for 20, 3 for 30, or $12 each. Honeydew, cakes, apples, fudge, no milk ice cream. When you dine at the Myth, welcome to Grotto of the Gods. What shall I have? Starters, soups and salads, entrees, sandwiches, and their beverages. Desserts, non-alcoholic, martinis. They have so much. There's my view. There's olive oil. Way out there. Spider-Man. There's a view of the Hulk roller coaster. Okay, I just ordered my meal. I'm going to have flatbread with cheese, bacon, tomatoes, and some other good stuff on it. Can't wait to try it out. It's $11 from the starter part. Can't wait to try it. I'm excited. And by the way, the butterbeer was delicious. As you can see, it's all gone. Did you like it also? I did. They do have social distancing seating in here. We're all spread apart. There's no way around us. That's good. And before we came in the restaurant, to be seated, we had to wash our hands with sanitizer. You get serve an appetizer here, you get bread. Comes in a basket with butter. Got some water to refresh. Here is my flatbread. Cheese, more cheese, like onions, bacon, and the flatbread looks really good. Let's try it. It's good. It's served cold. That's really good. The meal was a winner, flatbread. I like flatbread. It's a nice light meal when you're not too hungry. It was under the starter menu for $11. Tomatoes, bacon, 2 kinds of cheese, and it was delicious. I did scrape some of the toppings off because I'm trying to watch what I eat, but hey, it was good. A nice light meal. The flatbread was very, very thin. It fell apart when you picked it up, but that's okay. I had a fork and water to drink and a piece of bread for a starter. An appetizer they give you. There is no charge. And they do offer an annual pass discount. Fire Eater's Grill. And there's definitely tables are set apart for dining. There's hand sanitized throughout the park. See how they're spread apart dining tables? You rest there so you can take off your mask and just rest. Landing. You a Dr. Seuss fan? There's the Hulk roller coaster. Construction of a new roller coaster. Jurassic Park area. Maybe a good day to get wet. Up ahead here on the left, the carousel. Nobody's in line to go on it right now. There's the chairs, so there's some folks on their way to go. With other resorts. Cats, hats, and things. Brown and black hats. Ices, churros, pretzels, hand sanitizer wipes. Make sure your hands are clean. And they do have cold products for the drink. Here's your memorabilia.
Yeah.
There's things too.
We got like a pool area.
From the princess.
It's just a little thing. Hold on, baby.
Get your kids some gifts. How about Dr. Seuss? Dr. Seuss. And all his friends. Thing 1, thing 2, and one is on the other side. Hello, Dr. Seuss. Can they shake my hand? Snacks. Got a sweet tooth. Here's James. How about a land grant? Dr. Seuss. Hello, Dr. Seuss. Okay, I've gone through Islands of Adventure Park, and I'm hot. The mask is making me very hot. I am very warm. I'm sweating. I can just feel the condensation. My mask is kind of thick. It's not those paper ones. I'm sure it wouldn't because I'm trying to breathe in the mask 'cause I'm walking. I'm walking kind of fast. But overall, this was a good trip. I'm glad I came. Got to enjoy it. Walked around with you all, trying out the trip. And it's been a good day. Good morning, I should say. Over there where you walk in. I'm sitting in some shade because it feels good. Got my mask off real quick just to talk to y'all. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave a comment, like, and turn the bell on for notifications. Thanks for your support. See you next time.